Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf again. Just wanted to share the next piece of this new build that we're going to be doing. So now, I was going to do a NVMe M.2 drive for the boot drive. However, I ended up not being able to snag one. So instead we'll just be going with a standard 120GB SSD from ADATA. Now I've never used them before as far as builds go, so I'm looking forward to using this and testing it out. Typically I use either Western Digital, Seagate, or Patriot as the brands that I go to typically. Samsung is great and I have nothing wrong with them. I have used a couple of them in the past, but they tend to be a lot pricier because they give you that little extra edge of performance. So I don't expect it to be state-of-the-art, highest speeds possible, but it will do great for a boot drive. And so I think that we'll enjoy using this ADATA SSD. So in this package it was about 20 bucks, like 21 with tax. Got it from Amazon, it was like $19.99 plus tax. It is just a standard SATA connection, bare drive. Again, bare just means that it doesn't have any cables or software or anything that's needed. And so this will just plug into the SATA on the motherboard and it will plug into the power, and then we'll just screw it into the case and it will be perfectly fine. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoy our content, make sure you hit the like button down below. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date, and as always, make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts of either this product, our channel, or any questions that you have about myself, the product, or the channel, and we will make sure that we get back to you as soon as we're able to. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.